Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my upload.
Crypto.com NFT Marketplace Review. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Crypto.com. What features Crypto.com offers? What is Crypto.com/NFT and what are the views about Crypto.com? And should you sell your NFTs on Crypto.com or not? So let's get started. Now you might have heard about Crypto.com. Crypto.com is one of the largest cryptocurrency platforms out there. You can actually create your wallet, or you can simply go to the website of Crypto.com. But now Crypto.com has introduced its own NFT platform, its own NFT Marketplace as well. And it is going great. So if you're not familiar with it, all you have to do is just come to Crypto.com/NFT. And this is where you will learn this as the NFT website marketplace for Crypto.com. Now, if you want to sign up process is very easy. All you've got to do is click on sign up from here. And then to sign up, what you have to do is just add your full name, your email address, your username, password, and confirm password. So what happens on Crypto.com NFT platform is that you have to connect it to your Crypto.com app. Now this is a thing about Crypto.com/NFT. What you will have to do is you will have to have your Crypto.com app in order to use your Crypto.com/NFT. Because only then you will be able to actually create your NFTs, buy them and sell them. So when you come to Crypto.com/NFT, make sure you have the app. Now here's a little drawback, that Crypto.com app is not available in some of the countries. So that may be a problem about this. And I think they should come up with a system of just using the website without the app. So when we talk about the NFTs, what kind of energies you will be able to find on Crypto.com. So what happens is that there are different NFTs, there are different artists, you will be able to find all of the famous crypto programs right here, and NFT programs right here you can see. There, latest and top collectibles are shown right here when you come to the website. Now the good thing about Crypto.com and a thing that I noticed which makes it stand out is the verification method of Crypto.com. Every NFT, every artist is verified on Crypto.com. You can see right here now what I mean by that being verified, right? So what happens is on other platforms. For example, if it's maybe CryptoPunks, right, and CryptoPunks are on OpenSea or any other platform. For example, Variable, any of the programs. So on any other platform what happens is that sometimes there are fake accounts as well. For example, there are artists who create CryptoPunks and sometimes we don't know that it's a real one or not. So there are a lot of fake programs as well. But on Crypto.com, that is not the case because every NFT is verified, every artist is verified. So that's a good thing. And you can see right here, if I take you back to the main page, you will be able to see, you can see right here that there is this blue tick that you get with being verified, and you can see all of the artists right here that are actually, the real ones, the officials, a Snoop Dogg, Crypto.com, Basic Logic, and these are the different, top creators, and they are all verified. So you will know if there is a fake account, So this is a good thing about Crypto.com, that it is verified, the artists are actually verified. So to go to Marketplace, you simply click on Marketplace right here, and you will be able to see all of the NFTs right here. There are different, buy now option and auction. In auction, you can actually, go ahead and bid for any of the price that you want to, and you can see very high NFTs are available here, and these are actually, the this one is $13,500, and you know creators are actually earning a lot. Look, check this one out. This is pretty good looking NFT, so if I open it up, you will be able to see that how an NFT looks and how you can actually buy it and check it out. So you can see right here when you open an NFT on Crypto.com, you will be able to see the likes and viewers and then how many editions are actually mentored by the artist. If you want to buy, all you have to do is just click on Buy For right here, and you will be able to see the payment method. You can use your Crypto.com NFT balance to pay for NFT now, or just click on Crypto.com Pay to Pay if you have connect your Crypto.com/NFT with your Crypto.com app. But you can see pretty basic and very simple looking website, not that complicated. And you can see a 10% royalty goes to the creator for future resale. This is a good thing on Crypto.com. For every resale, the creator is going to get 10% royalty, so that's actually pretty good that with every scary or resale the royalties will be given to the creative. Most of the platforms do not consider this when it comes to reselling or when it comes to iron or secondary sales, but on Crypto.com you will get 10% on every resale. So that's good. And you can check out all the NFTs right here. Most of the NFTs are actually top rated are actually from Crypto.com. When you come to Marketplace, you can actually filter out to according to your own price if you want to. Then there are different options. If I go to art, I will be able to check out all the art NFTs available on Crypto.com. You can see very pretty good looking NFTs right here. If I go to celebrities, I will be able to check out these celebrity creators or NFTs by celebrities and are actually, available to buy. So you can see right here these NFTs are by different celebrities. You can see right here, these are the accounts the creators have. We Metal, then there is Rising Star Snoop Dogg. There are many, different artists that are different celebrities that are here and selling NFT, so that's really pretty good. If you want to buy a celebrity NFT, you will be able to find them on Crypto.com. And this is actually kind of a different thing from other platforms as well. And then there are gaming, of course. You will be able to find your gaming NFTs, your support NFTs, music, and crypto NFTs. Now the main thing about Crypto.com/NFT is that you can actually buy NFTs in your cryptos as well, or you don't have to, go ahead to vote to buy for Ethereum. You can actually, buy on Ethereum or Polygon. But the blockchain is super simple. You can actually buy on your crypto blockchain as well. So that's pretty good. You can buy it through your different if you are using Bitcoin or any other. You can actually, buy them directly from your crypto as well. So this is a pretty good option, and then you actually can buy from your debit card too. When it comes to buying, you will get the option of buying from your debit or credit card as well. So this is how Crypto.com works, are very professional and very advanced NFT platform where you will be able to find NFTs on every topic. You can find odd NFTs, you can find celebrity and FTS and many others, and it works simply. You can actually buy NFTs on your crypto as well. The accounts are verified. So yeah, if you are looking for an NFT platform, you should definitely check out Crypto.com. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.